Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. For those returning, thank you so much for coming back, and for those who are new, I go by Drea Atkins. Please subscribe and join the family. I promise you will not be disappointed. Today's video is going to be a hair install, and we're featuring hair from Ali Pearl Hair. Now this wig right here is 200 density, 13 by 4, and it's 22 inches. Usually, it's best practice to bleach the knots if it's not already bleached. In this case, I had an event to attend, so I didn't have the chance to bleach it, and that's why I went in with powdered foundation and just shaded the lace. Then I went in with a cotton pad and rubbing alcohol, and I just cleaned around the perimeter of my hairline. And this allows the hairspray to stick on well. And then we're just gonna move all our hair out of our face and clip it at the back before we begin the sticking process. I prefer a glueless install, so I'm going to be using the Ebin Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray to secure my hair. I love this spray simply because not only does it stick on very well, it's not strong enough where it damages my hair and my hairline, and on top of that, it leaves no residue on my lace, and I love that. So I find it easy to spray in sections, and after I spray, then I use my blow dryer on the cool setting to just run over it for no more than 30 seconds. It gives it like a soft hold before I go in with my band. After I've completed each section, then I go in and cut off my ear tabs on both sides before I wrap it down with a band. I wrap it for like a good 10 to 15 minutes depending on how much time I have, and then when I remove it, it's usually laid, and that's when I can begin cutting off the excess lace. When I cut the lace, I find it easy to again go in sections. I don't cut all at once. I used to do that in the past and I don't know what I was thinking. So it's definitely way easier to do this. It's also way better to use eyebrow razors, but I didn't have one at the moment, so I had to use scissors. So if you notice, I'm trying to go in like a jig-jag and not go in a straight line with my scissors, just to mimic a natural hairline. After the lace is cut, then I go back in with the spray again, just around the perimeter to melt the lace again. Once again, I put the band around my hairline. This time I do it tight. I make sure I get the ears because I want the ear tabs to also be secured. Those are the hardest parts for me. My ear tabs never stay down, so I always have to wrap it extra tight the second time around. So while the hairline marinates, I work on the rest of the hair. I'm straightening it today, so I'm gonna go in, define my parts. So this is the final look, guys. The wig is beautiful. It's very full. This is 200 density. I've ordered some 200 densities before that were not this thick. So this is true to thickness. I was gonna say true to size, but this is definitely true to thickness. It falls about here, right at my waist. It's good. Like, it takes good to heat, to curls. Had no smell, barely shed. Like, this is a great wig, and I love the chocolate color. Just perfect for the season. So yeah. If you made it to the end of this tutorial, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. The righteous person may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all. Psalm 34:19.